There are countless predators in the wild. Many of them are known for their strength and ferocity. However, lions are known for the way that they are called King of the Jungle. They are known as the strongest and undefeated predators. Does any animal could beat a lion? Of course, yes. Let's see them now. Top 10 strongest animals the lion never want to meet. Number 1. Tiger. With its strong jaw and over 1000 psi bite force, it's the largest of the felines. Tigers are 70% muscle, but have lower bone density than lions. In terms of muscular strength, tigers are stronger, more powerful, and one of nature's most feared predators. Tigers range 10 feet long and they can weigh 600 pounds. A tiger can carry something twice its own body weight. Number 2. Gorilla. Gorilla strength is estimated to be about 10 times their body weight. Gorillas are big, and an adult male can weigh up to 300 kilograms, while a male African lion can just 230 kilograms. Moreover, they have a bite force of around 1,300 pounds per square inch. It's mean double that of a lion. It is believed that a gorilla punch is strong to shatter a skull with a one slam of its arm, 3,000 pounds per square inch. Number 3. Polar bear. The male, which is much larger than the female, reach up to 800 kilograms and are the largest land carnivore in the world. This gives polar bears a big physical advantage and would help them win a fight with a lion. They have no natural predators and are not afraid of any animals. Number 4. Buffalo. Also known as Black Death. The buffalo can be extremely dangerous. A buffalo is really big. Fully grown, it can be 4 meters long and weigh 900 kilograms. It has a massive head and horns, a broad chest and sturdy leg. These horns can grow to 5 feet long and could inflict damage on a lion with a deadly strike. Number 5. Hippopotamus. They can open its mouth at 180-degree angle and can also bite a lion completely in half with a ferocious force of 2,000 pounds per square inch. They are considered the second largest land animal on Earth. Males measure around 4 meters long and can weigh up 3,200 kilograms. That's as much as 3 small cars. Despite their enormous size, hippos are great swimmers and can hold their breath for up to 5 minutes underwater. Number 6. Python. Pythons are non-venomous snakes found in Asia, Africa and Australia. They can reach lengths of more 10 meters and are very powerful. They attack in an ambush, wrapping themselves around their prey and crushing it. Squeezing tighter as the victim exhales, it can inflict serious injuries. Pythons swallow their food whole. Their jaws are connected by very flexible ligaments, so they can stretch around large prey, also allows them to swallow large mammals and reptiles. Number 7. Rhinoceros. Rhinos actually have no natural predator due to their power, tough hide, horns which are made of keratin, and aggression when provoked. An adult weight can reach up to 5 tons, and this is a very difficult game for lions. The rhino's skin can be up to 2 inches thick, but still sensitive to sunburn. If the rhino can hook a horn into a lion, they can easily fling them and the rhino will win. Number 8. Giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest land animals. They are up to 18 feet tall and can weigh 3,000 pounds. Giraffe legs are incredibly powerful. A giraffe can kick in any direction and in a manner of ways and can generate an impact of 2,000 pounds of force psi. Kick can not only kill a lion, but has even been known to decapitate it. Number 9. Zebra. Zebras can weigh almost 450 kilograms. They have the most powerful kick of any animal on the planet. And like giraffes, they've been known to kill lions with a swift kick to the head. Lions are often injured during zebra hunting, and this results in death. Zebra can mislead lions thanks to its black and white colors. Number 10. Caucasian Shepherd Dog. Loyal, strong and courageous, the Caucasian Shepherd Dog is a fierce family protector. They were bred to care for flocks and defend the home against wild predators in the rough Caucasus mountain region. This dog can easily fight a lion. They can weigh up to 100 kilograms, and this is quite a measure for a dog. Thanks for watching. I'm Blondie Fox.